In today's video, my friends Hailey and Sammie are going to give you a step-by-step guide to getting a retirement visa here in Thailand. So let's go. What is going on YouTube, and greetings from one of the many beautiful ancient temples here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a retirement visa, a long-term visa here in Thailand. For those that don't know, I have the Thai Elite Visa. The only reason I have that one instead of a retirement visa is because when I decided I wanted to get a long-term visa to Thailand, I was only 45. You've got to be at least 50 to get a retirement visa here. And many of you, after I did the video on the Thai Elite Visa that Hailey and Sammie helped out on, you said, hey, can you get them to do one on the retirement visa? And so that's what we got here today. Hailey and Sammie have generously donated their time to go step by step what you need to do to get a retirement visa here in Thailand. If you decide to use their services, great, but this video should stand alone for you to do it on your own if you want. I do highly recommend them. I use them to get my Thai Elite Visa. Sammie and Hailey and everybody else over there on their team were amazing, made it really simple. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just really, thought they provide a great service, and so I have no problem recommending them. Everything mentioned in this video, the PDF, their website, their YouTube channel is also going to be linked down below in the description. Without further ado, let me throw you over to Sammie and Hailey, and they'll tell you all about how to get a retirement visa. So let's do that.
Sawadee-ka! Hello everyone at 30 and a Wake Up. Hi Kevin. My name is Hailey.
My name is Sammie.
And we are here at HH Premium Visa Consulting in Chiang Mai.
And we will tell you how to get retirement visa in Thailand.
The first thing you want to know when you're planning how to get a retirement visa is you need to know where you will live. You need to know this because you need to apply for a retirement visa from the immigration office where you reside. So that's the first step. It's common for people to first stay in a hotel for a week or so, and during that time you can work with a local housing agent to find accommodation that's right for you. I usually recommend people do this so that you can see units in person and explore different neighborhoods on your own.
Another thing to keep in mind for a retirement visa is the required holding 800,000 baht. It's about 26,000 US dollar in a Thai bank account. To open the bank account, you will need to get a residence certificate issued by immigration. After you open the bank account, you will transfer the 800,000 baht. At this point, you will need to gather housing and banking documents to verify you meet the visa requirement. If you work with us or agent, they should assist you with this because they have a lot of documents, including some personal documents from the landlord.
A visa agent will make the whole process a lot quicker, easier, and eliminate any potential problems that could make you ineligible to apply for a retirement visa. Now you're ready to submit your retirement visa application. It's important to know that you have to apply with a minimum of 21 business days left on your current visa when you go to the immigration office. You will go in person to the immigration office and submit all documents. The retirement visa is actually called a non-O visa, and initially this is valid for 3 months and can later be extended annually for 1-year extensions.
Thailand have a lot of holiday, so you should prepare to submit as much time as possible. Immigration will make appointment for you to come back in about 3 to 4 weeks later.
When you go back to immigration on the appointment date, you will get a stamp in your passport that is valid for 3 months.
To prepare for your next retirement visa extension, you must know the banking requirement. You will need to keep 800,000 baht for 2 months before and 3 months after the day your visa is issued.
After 3 months, you can withdraw money, but it must remain above 400,000 Thai baht all year. And when you're getting close to your next extension, you need to make sure to have the full 800,000 baht in the bank 2 months before your visa extension. Otherwise, you'll encounter problems and you may not be able to get your visa extended another year. You can submit your application 45 days before your non-O visa stamp expires. And your 1-year extension will begin from the date your visa expires, not the date you go to the immigration office. So it's better to apply sooner than later. When you use the assistance of a visa agent, the total fees will range from $700 to about $1,500 for both the 3-month visa and the 1-year extension. A visa agent will make the process a lot quicker, easier, and eliminate a lot of confusion.
We could tell you a lot of more detail about the exact document you need, but we want to give you the important information to know if it's possible for you and how to get started.
Here at HH Premium Visa Consulting, we specialize in Thailand Elite and Retirement Visas. And Sammie and my team are not just visa agents, they are visa angels. They will take care of all of your visa needs to make sure the process is as smooth as possible.
There are a lot of dates you have to remember.
But don't worry if you're using us or another visa agent.
We can't wait to take care of you and all of your visa needs. Mwah. Bye!